As a manufacturer or wholesaler, you operate in a constantly evolving and competitive environment. Advancements in technology around robotics, 3D printing and data tracking have real benefits as they increase competitiveness and create opportunities to automate and allow you to focus on value-add manufacturing. As you optimize and invest in your supply chain to help you stay competitive, you'll also need to manage your working capital cycle effectively. At St. George, we understand it's natural to experience the uncertainty that comes with peaks and troughs in your business activity. This can often impact your critical business relationships as you manage the impact of having significant cash tied up with your debtors. We also understand that when your business is growing, you'll often need funds to support your expansion, but you may not have the property security required to support additional borrowing. Introducing St. George Invoice Discounting, the solution that finally enables you to accelerate your cash flow. Here's how St. George Invoice Discounting works. As a flexible and efficient way to unlock cash, it's designed so you can access the money tied up in unpaid invoices. There is no change to the way you do business. You remain in control of the collection of invoice payments and manage your debtors' ledger. To learn more about it, let's hear from one of our customers.
My name is Anthony Robertson and I'm CFO of Pharmacare Laboratories, and we're a marketing and sales company that have a number of brands in the natural healthcare, health and beauty and personal care business. Pharmacare Laboratories have been involved with invoice discounting for 20 odd years. We started as a very small company with not a lot of working capital, and we used it to help us grow from a very, very small private company to a medium-sized private company on the Northern Beaches. Like all small businesses, we were constrained with working capital. We had more sales than we knew how to fund. Our biggest asset on our books was our debtor book. The way to tap into that was invoice discounting, so that gave us the funds that we needed to use to keep on growing and growing the way we have. The beauty of invoice discounting is as you grow, your debtor book increases and your ability to garner funds also increases. And St. George Bank allowing us to increase those facility limits as we grew allowed us to keep on providing more and more liquidity into this business to allow us to keep growing as we have. People, when they join St. George Bank, tend not to leave. So I've got a lot of long-standing good relationships with a lot of personnel within St. George Bank. Not only are the people at St. George great at relationships, but they're also good at product knowledge. They know exactly what their products do. They know what we need as a business because they're continually in here talking to us about what we need, and they're able to blend the two together and bring us the products that we need as we need them. If you're looking for a facility that allows you to leverage off your balance sheet to help you grow quicker than you otherwise normally would, the invoice discounting facility is for you.
Remember, everything we do starts with you and your business. St. George Invoice Discounting allows you to convert approved invoices into cash within hours, pay your suppliers on time, unlock the equity in your balance sheet to keep up with your growth, and finally take control of your working capital. Invoice discounting is also about growing with you into the future and supporting you with scenarios ranging from acquisition to succession planning and launching into new markets. We have a deep understanding of the Australian manufacturing and wholesale industries, the complex supply chain and working capital management. So by partnering with us, you could improve the day-to-day management and future of your business. To learn how to accelerate your cash flow and increase your purchasing power, contact us today.